Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add product filters and sorting options to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. These features are super important for improving your store's navigation and helping your customers find exactly what they're looking for. Whether you have a large catalog of products or just want to make your store more user-friendly, filters and sorting options will greatly enhance the shopping experience. So let's dive into the setup process. Alright, let's begin by heading over to Shopify.com and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your admin dashboard. Now, in the newer version of Shopify stores, Horizon is the default theme, instead of Dawn. So, first things first, we need to make sure you're using the Dawn theme. If you don't have the Dawn theme set up yet, don't worry. Just go to the online store section in your admin panel, click on Visit Theme Store, and in the search bar, type in Dawn. Click on it, then click on Add or Try to install the theme. Once you've installed the Dawn theme, simply head back to Themes and click on Publish to make it your active theme. Now, to add product filters and sorting options, we're going to use a feature called Search and Discovery. This app allows you to easily add filters like price, availability, category, and even brand to your store. To install this app, head over to the App Store within your Shopify admin. In the search bar, type in Search and Discovery and click on the app when it appears. Once the app is installed, go to your store preferences section. Normally, you'll find a list of installed apps here, but Search and Discovery should show up in your navigation. Click on the Search and Discovery app and then click on Customize Filters. By default, you'll see two filters available: Availability and Price. But we want to add more customization to improve the shopping experience, so we can add additional filters like product type, category, color, or even brand if you have a variety of brands in your store. For example, let's add a color filter. You can select the color option, and the app will automatically generate a list of available colors based on your product inventory. You can also add category or brand if your store carries multiple types or brands of products. Once you've added the filters you want, click on Save to apply the changes. Now that the filters are set up, let's head over to your Shopify store and check them out in action. Go to your catalog or product page on your store. Here you should see the filters displayed at the top or sidebar of the product listings. Customers can now filter by price, color, availability, and any other filters you've added. These filters will help your customers quickly narrow down their search, leading to a better shopping experience and potentially higher conversion rates. Adding filters is a great way to help customers navigate through a large product catalog without feeling overwhelmed. It's especially useful for stores that offer a variety of products with different attributes, such as clothing stores with multiple sizes, colors, or brands, or any store with a large inventory of similar items. Filters not only make the shopping process faster, but they also improve customer satisfaction, making it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for. Plus, having the right sorting options, like by price or newest arrivals, helps your customers make more informed purchasing decisions. Once you've added and customized your filters, be sure to test them out. Go through your product pages and test each filter to make sure they're working properly. Make sure that the options are displaying correctly and that the results are accurate. Having well-organized filters not only enhances the shopping experience, but it can also help with SEO and discoverability, as customers can quickly find the products they want and engage more with your store. And that's it for today's video. You've now learned how to easily add product filters and sorting options to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. These simple steps will help improve the user experience and make your store more functional and organized. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.